If you'd like to get early access to more videos like this and help decide what you'll see next, please consider joining the Patreon from £1 a month. The link is in the description. Tell the time with Thomas. At 7 o'clock, Thomas starts out on his first journey of the day with Annie and Clarabelle. At 8 o'clock, the Fat Controller catches a train to work. This train is pulled by James the Red Engine. The Fat Controller reaches his office by 9 o'clock. He has a cup of coffee before he starts to read the pile of letters waiting for him. From his window, the Fat Controller can see Gordon the Big Engine, ready to pull the express. At 10 o'clock, the guard blows his whistle and waves his flag, and Gordon starts off down the line. At 11 o'clock, Percy collects some trucks. As he passes the airfield, he toots "Hello" to Harold the helicopter. Thomas arrives at the junction at 12 o'clock. Henry the Green Engine is at the next platform. Toby and Henrietta have had a busy morning. At 1 o'clock, Toby stops for a drink of water. His driver and fireman have some sandwiches and tea. Edward is taking some children to the seaside at 2 o'clock. As he puffs down the line, his driver waves to Trevor the traction engine. Trevor is sawing logs in the orchard. At 3 o'clock, Henry is on time and going well, until he comes to a fault in the track. Thomas comes to his rescue with a breakdown train. Poor Henry, now he'll be late. At 4 o'clock, Bertie the bus brings some passengers to the station. Thomas takes the people onto town. His coaches are very full. At 5 o'clock, Thomas makes his last journey before going to the shed for the night. By 6 o'clock, all the engines are asleep. And lastly, just a very quick look at what the book looks like in real life. These clock hands turn around. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the Patreon like these fine folk to help pick the next video subject, get early access to new content, and help support the channel.